What's going on, everyone? Odie Matthews here again in the hotel, and this is a surprise review because I left it out of my vlog video and I left it out of my packing list last week. But I brought with me to Minnesota because it was going to be cold, and let me tell you what, Minnesota delivered on it being cold. This little nugget right here, this is a jacket from COALATREE, and you might be thinking to yourself, that's not a jacket, that looks like a travel pillow. Well, we're gonna get into that, but the reason I left this out is because I bought this thinking I really wanted to get a puffy jacket, and currently in one of my favorite clothing companies, Boulder Denim, we're out. So I was like, okay, well, my other favorite company that I really enjoy lately is this one. So I was like, I'm gonna try their jacket out. So I brought it up here with me to Minnesota, and that's why I want to talk about it today, because there's a couple things I want to get into real quick before the video starts. I'll put a time code up here right now of when the review starts, but there's a couple things I want to say first. Okay, so the first thing is, when this video comes out, it'll be Veterans Day. So as a veteran myself, I've mentioned it before briefly in like one video. I was in the Marine Corps for 7 years, and you know, Veterans Day is a great holiday that our country here in America, you know, United States of America, has this this holiday, Veterans Day. But I just wanted to say, because I know I have listeners, I met some comments from people like in Germany, Australia, and everything. If you know somebody in your military, regardless if it's American or not, thank them. Thank a veteran today. Thank someone that served. This is a great time just to take a second and to thank those veterans. I want to say thank you to all the veterans that have served and are serving, and the ones I got to specifically serve with. If you see this and recognize me, you can insult me in the comments. But I want to take a second because this video comes out on Veterans Day and the day after the Marine Corps birthday. So happy birthday to all my fellow jarheads out there. It's a little belated, but whatever. Just want to say thank a veteran. Thank a veteran for their service, because they appreciate that. That can mean the world to somebody on Veterans Day, just telling them, you know, hey, thank you for what you did. So, you know, I really just wanted to throw that out there as a Veterans Day thing. The second thing is, next week is going to kick off a week-long series that I've been talking about, my best travel / everyday pants videos. There's going to be a new video. I'm going to drop a video on Sunday describing what's going to happen. There's going to be a new video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so you get 5 videos. They're going to be very short. I was going to do it all as one big video, but then that video would have been like over an hour long, and this way, you know, at the end of the week, you can see, okay, this is the one I'm interested in. I'm pretty sure all except for maybe 1 or 2 don't have male and female pants. I think 1 or 2 of them might just be just male. And there's also going to be some surprise. A couple of these companies, I got some other clothing articles from them, so I'm going to throw them in. Boulder Denim will be featured in this video. COALATREE has a pair of pants that's going to be featured in this video. And I'm not typically want to do 2 weeks of clothing videos, because I mean, obviously this isn't a bag review, but I'm still in Minnesota, didn't have another bag to review. I wanted to kind of take a step away from all the bag reviews for a second. I've got more bags coming in, so don't worry, we're going to have plenty of bag reviews after this wonderful pants series week that we're going to be rolling out. I'm really excited. I've been basically planning this since I started my channel like 2 months ago. I've reached out to these 5 companies, and a couple of them got me some discount codes for you guys, which is just awesome. So I'm really looking forward to rolling this series out. I really hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to roll right into this bad boy right here. Okay, so right now this is actually on sale. Normally $160, on sale for $127, and you can actually make 4 interest-free payments through this thing called Sizzle or Sezzle. So male and female COALATREE coats. This coat's actually on sale right now for $127. So I want to throw that out too. So perfect timing, because I actually didn't know that until I looked up the materials for this and found out it was on sale. So get yourself one of these jackets because it's wintertime. Okay, so let's start with the material, since I'm speaking of it. This is 100% blue sign ripstop nylon with DWR coating, and the insulation on the inside is 100% Comformax. Okay, I don't know what any of that means. I don't know what any of those products are, but I can tell you that this jacket feels like a sleeping bag hugging you if it was the world's softest and most comfortable sleeping bag ever invented. So anyways, that is the materials, that's the price right now, but as you can see, this jacket folds up into, I think it's supposed to be to get out of the way, but what I think this is really more supposed to be is a travel pillow. I think this is something that if you were camping or if you were traveling with this jacket, you could fold it up and then Boom, because actually I tested this. This is a very comfortable, like, mini travel pillow, which is just, I love that. It folds into itself. So as you can see, it's not huge. It definitely takes up more space in a bag if you have it put into this like little pillow shape, as it does when you like lay it flat, because this jacket will lay almost completely seamlessly flat. So this is definitely something like if you were camping, you could fold it up, use it as a pillow with your sleeping bag, unfold it in the morning and put it on, travel, anything like that. I really like this. Or if you wanted to display it, I guess. So anyways, enough of that. As you can see, there's a zipper right here. You unfold that, or unzip, not fold, and then the jacket just kind of folds out from this inside pillow nonsense that we've got going on here, and voila, you've got a jacket. And then that pocket, or the thing that you actually just folded out of, becomes an internal pocket. So that's really cool as well. But then you've got your jacket. Okay, now I actually filmed me outside in the snow in this jacket, so I'm gonna put that here. It is the mid-teens right now here in Minnesota. It is snowing, and I currently have just a t-shirt, my Boulder denim t-shirt on underneath. So this is just like a little clip I'm going to insert in the middle of me talking about, just to kind of show you that this jacket, I am warm. My hand's frozen. This hand's frozen too. My feet are a little cold. But I have just this jacket on in teen-degree weather while it's snowing, and I am warm. It feels like I'm being hugged by the world's softest sleeping bag. So I love this right now, and I thought this would be kind of a good little entry. I just stepped outside my hotel real quick to show this off, but I'm not making this up. It's snowing, it is teens, and I am warm, so I just wanted to throw this in there, show you a little field test, if you will, about this jacket. So now, back to you, Odie, from Odie. And now you're back from watching that wonderful little clip of me outside, and as you can see, I was wearing just this t-shirt and this jacket. I actually filmed that before I started doing any of this. So first things first on this is you've got their cool little COALATREE logo. It says mountain to city. I love that. And then you've got their it's like a fork and a shovel on the back of the hood as well. And then this logo is on all of the zippers. Awesome zippers, by the way, which we'll get into. So with that, I will start walking you through this jacket, and then I'll put it on and let you see everything. Basically what you have is a very basic jacket. You've got two pockets that zip. All the pockets zip on this. You got your two little hand pockets, right, that can zip up. Basic, simple, easy. And then this one breast pocket is pretty cool because you can unzip this, right? And you got your little like breast pocket. But then there's an internal pass-through, and I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. It's got a cord pass-through, is what I was gonna say, for headphones. So you can put your phone in here, and then your headphones can come up the front of the inside of the jacket, and you could listen to music, and your cord wouldn't be dangling beyond the inside of your jacket. Really cool, handy feature. I've got a pair of like the cheap iPhone headphones. I say cheap, they're like 40 bucks, which I don't understand, but they come with your phone. I still have them. I've used them in this jacket. I wish I would have had a video of that, but it was just briefly when I was walking around. So it does have a cord pass-through, which I think is a really cool feature, because then it makes it easier. You don't have cords hanging everywhere when you're trying to listen to music. Other thing on this jacket on the outside is the sleeves have Velcro adjusting, so you can get the perfect fit around your wrists. Cool beans. So then you've got, on the right side, you've got an internal pocket. This is also, again, like I said, that pocket that it folds itself into, so when you want to put it back into pillow mode, you're just folding it into that inside pocket. Because you'll see it's got two little zippers, so when it's pocket mode and when it's pillow mode, pillow pocket preferably. Nice little big internal pocket for like a wallet. I put my phone in there when I was in the movies because I wore this into the movie theater, and I just put my phone in there, that way it's out of the way. A great deep internal inside breast pocket. And the last cool feature on this jacket, on the inside at least, is a Velcro pocket down on the left side. It's just a big Velcro pocket. I have not used it yet. but it's big. It's got no elastic to it. It's just a Velcro, a big old pocket guy, and it is there if you so need it. And that's it. I mean, obviously it's a jacket, so it's not gonna have like tons of pockets and stuff, but I've worn it in the snow. It's very water resistant. Great. I haven't had a chance. Actually, I did rain. I wore somewhat in the rain when it was sprinkling, and it was great. But the main thing about this jacket is I'm blown away by how hot, warm it keeps you. So with that, I will show you what it looks like on a body. We'll get to it. Okay, so this is the medium men's jacket. As you can see, it's great fit. I like it kind of snug. One thing that I really like about this is the main zipper is a big old guy. These look like YKK and they feel like YKK zippers. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I love the big thing. Ooh, just hear that. Can you hear that? Ooh, it's got this big, nice guy, and then the little zippers are all great. All the zippers on this jacket are really great. They don't really get stuck, and they don't really feel like they're gonna snag or tag or anything like that. But this is what the jacket basically looks on someone like my build as of 5'8", 165-ish pounds, and it is a very, very nice form-fitting comfort jacket. I got my true size, which is a medium. I'm always a medium in everything. So they said, hey, you know, you get your true size, it'll fit. And truthfully, they were completely right, because it fits perfectly. Even when it's zipped up all the way. You know, it's a very comfortable jacket. There's not much to it. There's not much to review. I just wanted to throw it out there. Also, it's a bonus that it's on sale, but it's a very comfortable jacket. It's a very nice jacket. It'll keep you warm. It's very easy to move in it, as you can tell by my rock star dance moves. I really like this jacket. I really wanted to talk about it. This is a good jacket. It's wintertime for most places. Say majority of places except for like Australia and if you live in like the Caribbean or something like that. But for most people, I would say it's definitely colder weather. I will tell you that I love this jacket, and I will say the last thing I'll show you is, like I said, if you pack this thing, I would pack it like this. Now, on my trip, I kept this out of all my videos because I wanted to surprise everybody. Not like anybody is probably like, oh my God, you got that jacket? I mean, maybe you are. I don't know. Let me know if you are in the comments below. It packs super nice. I packed it in my work bag. That way it was hidden out of sight, out of mind. But I've really enjoyed using this. So check them out, COALATREE, this jacket. I'll link it below. Like I said, it's on sale right now for $127. You can do payments on it, which I think is so cool. And get your hands on it. So if you could, help me out. Leave this video a like. That helps. Subscribe if you want more nonsense, and if you are wanting to keep up to date with the awesome week of pants videos coming, subscribe so you get, you know, turn that little bell notification or whatever it is, and that way you can know when every video comes out, even though it'll be the same time every day, so all I have to do is come back and look. If there is a bag or product, such as clothing, that you would like me to get my hands on and tell you about by using and reviewing it, let me know in the comments below. And I will do my very best to make that happen. If you have any questions or anything like that about this jacket, let me know as well in the comments below. Thank you guys so very, very much. It seems like just a couple weeks ago I was saying, hey, thanks for 100 subscribers. And I was saying a week before that, hey, thanks for my first video passing 1,000 views. Now I have like 3 videos past 1,000 views and I'm up to like 125 subscribers, and I just, whew, I love it. I love it so much. Love the support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and trust me, I mean that from the bottom of my heart, because it means the world to me that I get to make these videos, which I highly enjoy doing, and you guys get to watch them, and you guys seem to enjoy them. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next week.